जी मैम।
Assalamualaikum class 3 students. Welcome to your science class. In your third phase, you will find out a question about a fly. You know, different insects are available around you, and you can see in your home, outside, inside of your home. But today we are going to learn about a fly. Yes, you can see in this picture, in this video, a picture of a fly and its part. Yes, insects have different parts as the fly has, and the body of an insect has three parts. Yes, any insect just like fly and any mosquitoes and all that, they have three parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. An insect has two compound eyes and the two feelers on the head. Yes, that is available in this picture. Feelers. Yes, I would like to tell you students that through feelers the fly can suck the food and chew. Yes, through this part of the body, the fly can suck the food and chew. Now, this is how he used feelers to chew the food. Yes, and the insect has two compound eyes as well. Okay. Now the middle part of the fly, as you can see in this picture, the middle part of this picture, and in this picture you can see that the fly has thorax. 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 Yes, it's a very important part of a fly because through this part of this is the middle of the part of the body, because all the legs and the wings of the fly join with it, and the last part of the insect body is called the abdomen. Yes, in the lower part you can see in this picture that the lower part and the lower part of the fly is called abdomen. It contains all the organ and working part of the body. Yes, with this abdomen, all the it has all the like organ of the fly that which the fly can use for walking, they are attached with it. Yes, you can see different parts of the fly. Once again I would like to repeat all the parts of the fly: feelers, head, eye, thorax, abdomen. Yes, these are the part of the fly. Okay, thank you class.